The Random Orbital Sander is probably the most versatile sanding tool I own. The Black & Decker Random Orbital Sander is ideal for restoration, preparation, and finishing work. The powerful 260 watt motor generates 13,000 orbits per minute, making removing material effortless. The well-placed soft grip surface and auxiliary handle allow for multiple hand positions, giving optimum control and reducing user fatigue. Changing the 125mm sanding disc is quick and easy using the hook and loop system. It's lightweight at only 1.42 kgs, has a cord length of 2 meters, and comes with a variety of discs, a dust bag, and a vacuum attachment. So how does it work? A Random Orbital Sander not only vibrates in tiny circles, but the whole disc rotates at the same time. As a result, it's aggressive enough to remove paint, but gently enough to be used as a finishing sander. A good choice for an all-inclusive sanding tool. Now, this is just one of the Orbital Sanders available at Builders. For more product reviews, visit the Builders website or check out the Builders Fan YouTube channel.